mahigit na 20 taong paninirahan sa Amerika, muling umuwi ng Pilipinas ang executive chef ng White House na si Cristeta Pasha Comerford.
It's such a blessing and it's really very humbling. Because you get home and there's just all of the attention that you get and all the hospitality. It really makes you remember how it was. It really feels good.
Isang parangal din ang tinawag kay Chef Chris sa pagiging isang matagumpay na Pilipino sa labas ng bansa.
You just don't know how humble I am to be in the guys accepting a lot like this.
Sa isang press conference, personal din nakaharap si Chef Chris. Nung nakita namin si Chef Chris, siyempre nakabihis siya, naka-makeup siya, pero alam mo na Pilipino to eh. Alam mo ito yung kind ng Pilipino na makakausap mo. Very, very simple person. Ano po sa tingin ninyo ang edge ng isang Filipino chef na gawin mo?
Hindi siya iuusap ng mga mag-iwas na in the end, you go back to what you know and what you're doing. And for me, it's not just about the work itself. What makes work important is really around it. You have to know and you have to feel what you do well. I came from a huge family, just 11 of us. So I don't know why when I was on the second and third grade, I volunteered for my life. I could feel so many years. And not realizing that years down the road, that that's going to be my boss. I thought it was just a healthy to do. So, Shea, ang tawag namin sa kanya ay Teta. Lumaki kami lahat sa Catalunya. Ngayon ay G. Tolentino, Sampaloc, Manila yun. And I am very proud of you, Teta. And I think this success will go on, and I know how humble you are, even if you have reached that peak.
Sa mga biyayang natatamasa ngayon ni Chris, wala na raw siyang may hihiling pa. At bilang pasasalamat, hindi niya nalilimutang lumingon sa kanyang pinanggalingan at tumulong sa mga nangangailangan.
Gemini has been in Brazil multiple times to do some more that's giving to everyone and just volunteering to help everybody. It's similar to Habitat for Humanity. We're just giving back something to the community because you've been blessed with so much already that the least you can do is just share your blessings to others.
Bukod dito, nagtuturo rin si Chris sa mga batang nag-aaral maging chef. Kahit American citizen na ngayon si Chris, ang kanyang panlasa at pag-uugali nananatiling Pinoy na Pinoy. At sa kanyang pagbabakasyon sa Pilipinas, nag-iwan siya ng mensahe para sa kanyang mga kababayan.
You could do anything out there overseas. You could be working in a hotel, you could be working in some job, but it doesn't matter what you do. As long as you share your values and your talent. Hardships and things like that. I feel like, the challenges, you turn them into opportunities. Turn them into opportunities that's going to make you stronger and it's going to make you better. And the thing is, the more challenges you have, the more experience you get, the better person you get.